Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be preparing ochazuke, a perfect choice for chilly days or when you crave a light and satisfying meal. Enjoy the taste of Japan with this ochazuke recipe. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 2 bowls of cooked rice, 1 teaspoon of green tea, 1 cup of water, toppings of your choice. My choice is umeboshi and natto as the salty and savory ingredients, along with scallion, shredded nori, and toasted sesame seeds. Step 1. Prepare and arrange the toppings of your choice on small plates. Step 2. Place green tea leaves into a teapot. Pour hot water and let it steep for 30 seconds. Step 3. Place the cooked rice in a bowl and arrange the toppings on top. Gradually pour the steeped green tea over the rice, ensuring an even distribution. I hope you enjoy this quick and easy Japanese dish. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free onigiri recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.